So thank you for noticing that mistake. I shall correct it now. Let's have a look. So yeah, just made a small mistake on my second derivative here. So the first derivative is correct. X power 4 minus 6x cubed. So the first derivative is 4x cubed minus 18x squared. Take out the x squared. That leaves me with 4x minus 18. I could take out the 2x squared, 2x minus 9, and that's to equal 0, so it doesn't actually matter about the 2 here. So x could equal 0, or x could equal 9 over 2. Let's calculate the second derivative. That is 12x squared minus 36x. Oh, did I miss the square as well? Twelve x squared minus 36. Oh dear. Okay. So the second derivative at 0 is 0. And the second derivative at 9 over 2 is, let's see what this is. (81), which is a positive. Now, the second derivative is 0 at 0, so I might need a third derivative to help decide. The third derivative here is 24x minus 36, which will be a negative. So if I just try and roughly sketch this out here. So the first derivative is 0 at 0 and 9 over 2. 9 over 2. So it's going to be a negative number there. Okay, so that's the 0 and the 9 over 2. Now the second derivative is a positive, which makes that a minimum. So that's fine. And the second derivative is 0 here. So that means it's an inflection point here. But because the third derivative is negative, it's a falling inflection point. So I'm thinking it's something like this, levels out. But I can't be. Is it going to go back up? It is. I think it looks something like this. X power 4 minus 6x cubed. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Yeah, I didn't quite get it. It's supposed to be kind of flat here. It's flat. So yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Okay, so we have a min at x equals 9 over 2. No local max. Now you can see here it is convex and concave, so inflection at x equal to 3. And then concave up at x less than 0. And then am I missing something around here too, possibly? Okay, we'll have down increasing and then decreasing. Okay, so decreasing all the way until x less than 9 over 2, increasing more than 9 over 2. Let's see now. Concave up to 0, and then concave down. Concave down, but then I think there's a second inflection here. So if I was to factorize this, I could take out 12x and I'd be left with x minus 3. Yeah, so there's a second inflection point here. How did I say 3 earlier? Did I just copy this? Well, it is 3. So that's actually a saddle point at 0. Okay, a saddle at x equals 0 and an inflection at 3. Concave up at 0 and more than 3, and concave down in between 0 and 3, and an inflection also at 0. Okay, so how does that compare to what I previously got? No max, so that's wrong. Minimum at 9 over 2, inflection at 3, but also 0, which I missed because the x is gone. Yeah, and because of the 0, I missed the 0 to 3 here. And it's increasing more than 9 over 2 and decreasing less than that. Yep, okay, thank you for catching that.